Hey everybody, this is Kat and welcome back to my channel. For today's episode, I am going to show you a tutorial video on how to level up your Instagram stories using the Instagram app only. So if you want to be creative or put a little extra on your Instagram stories, this is the perfect video for you. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe now and hit the bell notification for more video updates. I am going to show you 6 ways on how to how to be creative on your Instagram stories. You still have the freedom to change the colors or tweak it a little bit. I mean, this is just an idea that I am going to show you. So it's just a guide, but it's still up to you on how you will do it on your own. All you need to have is your cell phone device and the Instagram app. That's it, and you're good to go. So let's start now. Alright, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked my version of creating Instagram stories. So if you want a part 2 of this, or if you want to suggest a video that you want me to make, just comment down below in the comment box and I'll see. So that's it for now. Thank you again for watching and see you next time. Bye!